Hello everyone, or dobre den. My name is Simon Ripo. I'm head of marketing portfolio for BU Central. I'm glad to meet you today, although virtually only. I do not have the opportunity to meet you face to face, but hopefully maybe next year it will be possible. I'm glad to be able to present you today this topic of biological and how the company and the market is on the way to biological. The first question you may ask me is, what are biologicals? Well, biological is an umbrella term for products that are based on biological materials that directly originate in nature. And those biological products, they are in both segments, biocontrols and biostimulants. When we speak about the biocontrols products are based on naturally occurring materials that are used to fully manage biotic stress. In other words, they manage to reduce disease pressure, pests, or weeds, while the biostimulants are support in managing the abiotic stress. In other words, they work on the plant physiology and plant health, or they manage to support the plant with nutrients use efficiency effects. Why do we speak about biological products? The first thing is the regulatory environment that we are now facing, or actually is already live since a couple of years. The chart I am presenting now is nothing else than the Green Deal that was announced 4 years ago in the 2019 European Green Deal. And I would like to highlight those two elements that actually are important and will have a strong impact on agricultural production and industry. First of all, this is preserving and restoring ecosystem and biodiversity, and the second one is the project of farm to fork. Those two targets will have an impact on the crop production use that is expected to decrease from 35 to 70%, depending on countries. Also, it will increase the percentage of organic farming. And finally, the target is also a better application of integrating farming management strategy. In other words, it both affects industries as well as farmer day-to-day life. As an industry, Syngenta, being part of CropLife Europe, so industry committee, the company is committed to invest significant amount of money in innovations in both biopesticide segment as well as digital technologies in order to support growers facing those challenges. And those new elements will have an impact on the markets and the trends. And when you look at the expectation of the market trends, it is expected for both biocontrol and biostimulant to significantly increase. On biocontrols, this will be led first by the Green Deal, but also by a bigger demand from the food chains on lower residues products. Also, looking at the future of AI and the new trends, there will be more and more resistance happening on the market, and biocontrols will be one of the solutions to solve them. On the biostimulant side, here farmers and market has to face with new dynamic, with new climate changes that will take place. And here, those biostimulants will be solutions to support the growers facing those challenges. Syngenta is fully committed to be one of the leaders of those biological products. And Syngenta is fully committed in helping growers in facing those challenges and creating a sustainable future for both people and nature. And for that reason, Syngenta is already on this way and working hard on products to be presented and delivered to the market. The first one already actually took place last year. This was Taegro, first biological fungicide that was launched in both Czech Republic and Slovakia. While 2023, this year, my colleagues later will tell you about Quantis and Vixeran, both biostimulants, one in plant health segment, the second one in nutrient use efficiency. And for 2024, well, I think there are many more to come, but that I will keep it maybe for the conference of next year. What is important to remember is that Syngenta right now is working on a portfolio of biostimulants to fill those needs from the growers in plant health segment, crop quality, in soil health, which will be something new also to be delivered, and nutrient use efficiency, as I was mentioning earlier. On the biocontrols, Taegro is the first one, and a new line of product will happen and will take place. And the last but not the least, the company is also working on a pipeline of products to be delivered in seed care. So here, as you can see, there will be many new things to happen on the market. So I'm glad that you are today to hear about the first products that will be presented soon. And there is nothing else to me to tell you. Thank you for your attention, or as you say, díky za pozornost.